bro.
In the last episode, we went mining, and we'll show you a preview right now.
Ready?
What's from turbos?
Only mine ones. Alright, I'll get the mine. What the? Evan, do not go in.
My flashlight. No.
Evan, did you fall?
Yes.
Okay, sit it. Oh, your flashlight!
My flashlight.
Where are you, Evan? Did you come all the way down? Come all the way down, we're right here. Just keep on going down. Hey, sure. Yeah?
Yeah, the little girl is gonna fall right down.
Huh?
The little girl, fucking girl is gonna fall down.
What?
Let me go down. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Wait for me, wait. Oh no! I fell into the lava!
Where are we? And now, in this episode,
what is that?
I don't know what we're gonna do this episode, cause like...
Wait, what is this?
We might go mining again, or we might go back to that clown area. Or, I don't know where we're going, but wherever we go, we're coming with. And...
We got no... Oh, this.
Yeah, that's it. And this is
31
Martin's favorite thing right here.
I got 31.
Pizza right there. And I'll see y'all once we get started.
How much you give me, Martyr? Okay, come here, Nima. Yo, Mark, where are we going?
Bro, I'm stuck!
We're going back to...
Are you sure?
I'm stuck.
Wait for us, Nima. Oh! Oh! Evan, sit it.
Yeah.
Bro, he died from the bull. Wait, can you hear me through the radio, Marjorie? Hello? Is this red light, green light? Just answer your mouth. Yo? Can you hear me? Testing.
Yo.
He is not down here.
Adam, come on, your stuff is over here. Bro. Yo!
Come.
Run, chill. I'm about to die. Alright, come on, we gotta go. Bro! Wait, hold up. Wait till it gets green light. Alright, go. Oh no! Go. Hey, let's go!
Yo.
Yo, testing. Everyone here, is everyone at Pennywise? Is everyone at Pennywise? Yo, Mark.
Yo.
Edwin,
We're back.
what happened to your shit?
I lost everything.
Bro, you want my sword? Come here, Edwin. We'll get boxes. Let me help you. Oh yeah, you gotta get boxes. Edwin, get away from my sword.
I'm only dead just away, bro. This fucking zombie that was jumping me.
Alright, don't worry, we protect you. Yo, I'm getting dizzy.
We're back.
Yo, what the fuck? This is where I lost my flashlight.
No, I have lost everything.
Bro, Roger.
You guys wanna do 2v2s?
With who?
Roger, go first. You want the hammer.
I was gonna dunk.
Oh, no, get up. Roger, we can kill it. Oh yeah, we can kill it. Where is it? No, I hear that fucking shit. No. And where's it?
Oh no.
This is what happened last time. It should be like a clown lab.
Where?
No, they're not getting. Gold, Roger, get it. Roger, get it. Boom. I'm not getting that shit.
There's nothing.
Edwin, get it. Edwin, get the gold.
What?
You gotta take out your book bag and then,
Oh my god.
yeah.
It's gonna be heavy as hell though.
Yeah, but whatever, bro. These are people in school. They're talking. Oh, really, Modric? Modric, go.
It's too dark.
Oh shit, Edwin, you're... Oh, yeah, revive him.
I didn't do anything. Moment. We're gonna get back over there. Yep. We're back.
Right,
After this
Edwin, not lock in. Edwin, come on, lock in.
with this time a hammer.
Yeah, but we're...
Hopefully.
Bro, what the hell? Where's my leg? Alright, come on. Hey, gold! Nobody has a backpack? Alright. Alright, Mother. When did you see the monster? Hammer time, alright? Where's Edwin? He's right there. Behind us. I can hear the monster, man. Come on. Let's all three stick together, alright? If someone down, he's right here. Who's hitting me? Yes, we did it! Yeah, we did it!
How did blood on the floor?
Edwin was hitting me the whole time! Let's go.
Marty was hitting me, bro.
I don't know what was going on. I think Marty was hitting the whole time. I didn't even hit it once.
I think the only way we can actually leave this place is from the clown. We could.
Like, can I get revived?
Yeah, you could. At this point.
Come already enough? Oh, yeah. We're in, bro.
Huh? What the hell? Y'all just went. What the fuck are y'all? Right here?
Yeah, but it looks like Little Nightmares too. You get it, Modric. You don't get it. It kind of looks like Little Nightmares too. This is like Squid Game though.
Yo!
Bro.
Let it all work out.
Hey, Edwin's here. Edwin, how the fuck did you get an umbrella?
Edwin, you took Bro, Edwin, are we fudging? Why do you have an umbrella, man? Bro. Why? Let's go. Why do you look green, Audrey? Like, without light, you look green. Oh, another one?
Where are we now?
What the hell is this? Let's go up. How many floors?
Hold up. What the?
We're supposed to carry the things.
Oh, yeah, got it.
Right here.
The what? Uh-huh.
This is so like.
Alright, we got luck in action.
I don't know.
I got circle dice. You getting scared?
Actually, I'm gonna get circle.
I already have circle, Modric.
Wait, y'all see the colors too?
Oh, yes. So, Modric, we only need square. Right here. No, that's fine. Where is it? It's all about. Oh, it's changing. Oh, they were landing on the thing. No, I've been here.
Oh. Where's orange?
Yeah, is that it? That's fine.
Right here, right here.
Oh, I'm gonna get it. Edwin, what are you doing? Where are you?
Oh yeah, shit.
Edwin's probably sitting here. Edwin, why are you so flat?
There's my hammer.
Oh, right there, right here.
You lost your hammer, Edwin.
I'm grabbing the light.
And it's up there.
Where is it?
It's right there. It's all the way
It's
up.
right there. It's right there.
There's a
Go
light,
right.
there's a flashlight.
Edwin, it's right here.
Yeah, I know.
What do you mean? I'm not. Why are you upside down?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Upside down. It is.
You're upside down.
I'm upside down. No, you're perfectly at peace.
Exit.
Yo! I like that to make sense. That is working. How is that even active?
Edwin, exit! Come to exit!
Exit.
RP, Edwin, you're upside down.
To me, I'm normal. With y'all, that's upside down.
Everything was fine.
Come on, Edwin. Oh yeah.
Oh, it changes for everybody. Cause you see there's stairs right there, stairs right there, and stairs right there, and stairs oh yeah, we changed. But we didn't change it. Oh, then me and Monty died. Wait, Edwin, get your hammer! Wait,
It's another zero gravity.
Edwin, is that your hammer? Wait, Edwin, get your hammer. I had it. What is going on? I think we're supposed to go down. I think we are. It's right up there. Yeah, we can't touch anything.
There's a door.
Edwin, once you get down, let me get.
There's just a lonely door. Look.
Why is it just a door?
RP, Edwin, RP, you're right here.
Get your hammer, Brad. Yo!
Alright, come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
This is sick. Oh my gosh, it's Dreamcore.
Is it? Ah.
Mondrick, I think there's a monster here. Okay, Mondrick, you're the only one with the flashlight, so you're leading us.
Have to have a good picture for the thumbnail.
Okay.
Oh, it's right there. It's right here. It's right here. It's right here. Ready? Ready?
Yo, oh my god. It's grabbing.
I go, these guys are damn. Leave it. I got you.
I'm not pressing anything. I let go of my controllers.
Look, Edwin. Look how cool this is. It's push.
Yo!
What the fuck?
Oh! Grenade. Why are you throwing it out?
Alright, let's go. Oh, right here.
Bro, y'all were just sitting there when I was raping me, bro.
No! Edwin killed me!
Bro, Edwin, grab me. Y'all see this, right?
I'm
Y'all
reviving
see
him.
that, right? Y'all see this, right?
What is this, bro? What is this? Yo, bro, why is everything going on?
Why is everything twitching?
Oh, Draco!
I don't know where he is.
I'm under the stairs.
And where's your body?
I don't know.
Where's your body?
Edwin, get on the... get...
What the? We're not at the slide no more. We're in the boss fight.
Respawn, bro. Respawn. Oh, wait. We respawn here.
We respawn.
Wait, Neymar, you here? Hey, I think we're gonna have to die from this monster.
Or is he back at the next fire?
RP. I repeat, we're at a different level right now. I repeat, I think I see the monster, Edwin. Come here! Here right now.
I don't know where the fuck the monster is. Come on. Get me. Get me. I'm here. So that will conclude
Come here.
part
Wait,
4.
wait, Edwin, look.
I'm
come
in
on,
part
look.
3.
Part 3.
And I hope you all enjoyed this video. And we'll see you
Where did you go, Nina?
in part number
Where'd you go?
4.
No, come here.
Thanks for watching.
Come back, come back.
And it was a
Neymar,
crazy
come
run.
back.